to Dunham TV News. Today's story takes place out in Moncks Corner, South Carolina, which is probably about an hour away from where I used to live at in Orangeburg. This alligator was actually trying to ring somebody's doorbell. I find this pretty funny, so let's roll the clip.
Gary Rogers took his dog, Maddie, for her morning walk here in Foxbank Plantation. That's when they saw something unusual in a cul-de-sac.
Tried to keep my distance as much as possible. I wanted to get as close as possible, too, to get a good, a good picture of it.
Using his cell phone to take a picture and shoot video, Gary watched an alligator meander through the yards of a house.
The gator was not aggressive at all. He was just kind of trying to find his way out. I mean, he was caught between fences and between a couple of houses, had no place to go, went around the air conditioner a couple times.
But he was surprised to see the reptile try to climb a front door. Look closely as it reaches up, then scrambles away.
No alligators could actually climb, and this alligator looked like he was really trying to make an attempt to get over the fence and into this woman's pool in the backyard. And then even when it went over to the house, it kind of was up around the doorbell area.
But you can see where he's was scratching all around the door here, and then there. And then you can see the scratches in the knob itself.
Jamie Bailey was at work when a neighbor texted her about the unexpected visitor at her house.
And I thought it was a joke. And the first picture she sent me was from over here, and I couldn't see it on the porch. And then they sent me the video front on, and I was in disbelief. Just couldn't believe it. I mean, who would have thought an alligator?
Jamie says she's seen alligators in the area, but she never thought one of them would walk onto her property and try to enter her house.
I told my husband earlier, I said, we're going to get a gator crossing sign, and we're putting it in the front yard.
In Moncks Corner, South Carolina, Bill Burr reporting.
Man, that is pretty funny. That is some funny stuff right there. Somebody was raising that alligator. Somebody was. Oh man. Oh boy. I'm glad nobody wasn't home when that alligator rang that doorbell. Because they would have opened that door, they'd have been in for a big surprise. They probably would have got attacked. Oh man. Thanks for watching this clip. Thank you for watching Dunham TV News. And always, please subscribe, donate to my cause, because I'm trying to get better equipment, and so I can really get out there. So if you want to donate, log on to GoFundMe.com/Perry Dunham and donate whatever you can. Anything you donate will be greatly appreciated. Until the next time, people.